Yo, what's up? I'm Dulex and I like to build living spaces in weird places. I've previously built vans, RVs, and travel trailers, but right now I'm almost done with this truck camper for my F-150. I've just got a few finishing touches that I need to finish up today in this video. But before we get there, let's talk about the sponsor. This video was sponsored by vitafusion Gummy Vitamins. vitafusion is America's #1 gummy vitamin brand. These little gummies pack a powerful punch of essential vitamins and minerals that help you go and attack your day. vitafusion makes staying healthy easy and fun as it fuses the fruit flavors together in an enjoyable and convenient form. I like to take a multivitamin every morning when I do my 5 a.m. workout. I try to stay in peak mental and physical condition before a long day of editing videos, building, and designing build plans. One of the biggest reasons that I wanted to do this collaboration is that vitafusion has partnered with the Fruit Tree Planting Foundation to plant fruit trees in underserved communities. And so far, they've been able to plant over 200,000 fruit trees, which is pretty insane. Thanks again to vitafusion Gummy Vitamins for sponsoring today's video. Try them today. Now, I need to go make a list of stuff I need to do to finish the truck, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. So I'm making the cross supports for the bed platform, and I was going to use this aluminum tubing, which is the same stuff that I used to build the entire structure of the camper. And I was using this because it was extremely lightweight, but the problem I'm running into now is that this is an extremely load-bearing area, whereas the rest of the camper had a lot of support put on it, and this needs to be able to stand alone and be strong. You can kind of see
how thin this is. Thinking about using steel, but I think that would be too heavy. I was thinking about using wood, but I think that'll be too soft. And then I remembered that I actually have this. This is just extruded aluminum that I was using as a roof rack for my truck before I put the camper on. And if you look at that, it is significantly thicker. And this stuff is rated to hold over 1,000 pounds as a truck rack. So I just cut this down and I'm gonna be using this instead. Just a quick comparison, I'm gonna put up this aluminum tubing that's already bending just with a little bit of pressure. Here, imagine if my entire body weight was on this, it definitely wouldn't be strong enough. Now I'm gonna try the extruded aluminum. Oh yeah, they ain't going anywhere. Look at that. Can do pull-ups on it. So the bed platform is up there and it looks sick. So I'm gonna do a few more things to it before I call it done. I have to seal the wood and put some hinges on and stuff so it'll actually be easier to bring out into bed mode and put away into standing mode. So this bed platform needs 24 hours to fully dry. Got them right here on top of my garbage can. And while it's doing that, I don't want to waste time, so I'm going to get started on running the wires for the solar and for the fan up top. Just plugging it in for a quick test to make sure this works, and it just started raining. Oh no, I did it backwards.
take this, put this down. Now, that's it. I got a bed.
All right, so I finished everything up, so it's all ready for the tour video. I threw in the couch that's adjustable and folds up so you can get out of the way. It's basically a giant pillow, but it's really comfortable. And then I have the electrical all hooked up, and then we've got the fridge I just put in there, but I'm also using that as a step so we can get upstairs because it's really tall. But other than that, we're good to go, and we're ready for the tour video coming out real soon. So stay tuned for that. Catch you in the next video later.
You weren't going to hit it like you usually do?
This video was sponsored by Vitafusion Gummy Vitamins.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that.